Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to check rail trails in Citymapper app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Citymapper application. You can see over here Citymapper application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So first of all, what you have to do is tap on this option, get me somewhere, or if you want to go to your home, you can tap on this option, get me home. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for get me somewhere, first of all what you have to do is set the start location. Simply enter the location over here or tap on the location from your recents. Now what you have to do is enter your end location, tap on the option of your choice, or you can also search for it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom you'll be able to find various options over here: classic, step free, bus, train, walkless, mixed, simple, etc. So you'll be able to find various routes over here. If you want to check for the rail trails, what you have to do is simply tap on the option train. Now Citymapper will find and navigate the rail trails for you. You'll be able to find various options. You'll also be able to see the distance and price over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to see the trail in the map. So like this, you'll be able to find it. So that is how you check rail trails in Citymapper app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.